Hello everyone, this is exercise 5.1, question number 4. Under the question number 4, there are 15 sub-questions. So I have made 3 parts of it, part 1, part 2, part 3. In each part, there will be 5 questions. Let us see the first one here. In the question they are saying, which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. It means that first you need to find out whether it is AP or not, and then the rest of the things. Look at the first one here. First I will try to get the common difference, which I will get by writing A2 minus A1, which is equal to 4 minus 2, which comes as 2. Now here A3 minus A2, which is equal to 8 minus 4, which is nothing but 4. Here itself you see the common difference is not a constant number, right? So I'll say D is not constant. Therefore, it is not an AP. So we should not have to do anything more. Come to the another question here. For the second one, once again I will try to get the D, A2 minus A1, which is equal to 5 by 2 minus 2. After doing LCM, we are getting here 5 minus 4 by 2. So which comes as 1 by 2. Now we'll check for the other one also, A3 minus A2. Here 3 minus 5 by 2. Once again your answer comes as 1 by 2. Now the next one is A4 minus A3. So 7 by 2 minus 3, right? Which comes as once again 1 by 2. So everywhere D is a fixed number, or you can say D is constant. Constant here. Now they have given us 4 terms. So for all the 4 terms, you will check whether the common difference is constant or not. If it is constant, then we will say this is an AP. Here I am writing it is an AP, right? Now what they said, if it is an AP, we need to find out the next 3 terms. We are having till A4. So I'll get A5. A5 means what? A4 plus the common difference, right? So A4 already I know, which is 7 by 2, plus the common difference 1 by 2, which comes as 8 by 2 is nothing but 4. To get the A6, sixth term, A6 equal to A5 plus D, which is equal to A5 is what? 4, right? So 4 plus 1 by 2, which comes as 9 by 2, and the last term is A7, A6 plus D, which is equal to 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is nothing but 10 by 2, which is equal to 5. In this way, we will find out the next 3 terms. Come to the next sum here. Here once again, I'll write down A2 minus A1 minus 3.2 minus and then minus 1.2. See, once again I am telling you, you're supposed to be very careful about the negative signs, which is equal to minus 3.2 plus 1.2, and your answer is minus 2. Here A3 minus A2, which is equal to minus 5.2 minus 3.2. If you see once again here, minus 5.2 plus 3.2 is nothing but minus 2. Come to the next one here. A4 minus A3, which is equal to minus 7.2 minus minus 5.2. If you observe properly, once again we will write it down here, 7.2 plus 5.2, which is nothing but minus 2, right? Everywhere you see your common difference is coming same. That means D is constant. Therefore, it is an AP. Correct? Therefore, it is an AP, and we will find out the next three terms. A5 is equal to A4 plus D. A4 already you know, which is minus 7.2 plus the common difference. Common difference is minus 2. So minus 7.2 minus 2. It will become minus 9.2. Now A6 you need to find out. A6 is equal to A5 plus D, which is equal to minus 9.2 plus, and this minus 2 is nothing but minus 11.2. Come to A7 here. A6 plus D is nothing but 11.2 plus, and this minus 2 here. So you are getting it here, minus 13.2. In this way, you are getting all three terms. Come to the next one here. A2 minus A1 minus 6 minus minus 10. Right. So which is equal to minus 6 plus 10 is nothing but 4. So A3 minus A2. So A3 is minus 2 minus minus 6. So we are getting minus 2 plus 6, nothing but 4. Right. Now here A4 minus A3. So minus, it is not minus, it is 2. 2 minus minus 2. See here, 2 plus 2 is nothing but 4. Everywhere your D is constant. Correct? So here we'll write it down. Common difference is constant. Therefore, it is an AP. And you know, as it is an AP, we need to find out next 4 terms. Right? So here I want to find out A5. A5 means A4 plus D. A4 is 2 and the common difference is what? 4. So you are getting it as 6. Now A6 means A5 plus D. A5 is 6 plus 4, which comes as 10. And A7, which is equal to A6 plus D. This one is 10 plus 4, which comes as 14. Right? Come to the last one. Here A2 minus A1. So 3 plus root 2 and minus A1 is 3. Easily you can cancel this minus 3 and plus 3. Your answer comes as root 2. Right? Here A3 minus A2. So 3 plus 2 times root 2 minus. Now at this place it's better to give the bracket. So minus 3 plus root 2. Now here negative sign is out of the bracket. So all the signs which are there inside the bracket will get changed. This you have to remember. Most of the children are doing the mistake at that place. So minus 3 minus root 2. So easily this 3 and 3 got cancelled. But remember, 2 times root 2 minus 1 time root 2. Your answer will come as only root 2. Okay, I'm talking about this one. 2 times root 2 minus 1 time root 2. So your answer will come as only 1 time root 2. Come to a4 minus a3. Here also I'll write down 3 plus 3 times root 2 minus, I'll give the bracket, 3 plus 2 times root 2. And then here open the bracket, minus 3 minus 2 times root 2. Cancel this minus 3 and plus 3. Here once again you see 3 times root 2 minus 2 times root 2. Your answer will come as root 2. If you observe, everywhere t is constant. Here it is constant. So you will say, therefore it is an AP. Right? So here you need to write down. It is, therefore it is an AP. We need to get the next 3 terms. So here a5, which is equal to a4 plus d. a4 already you know, 3 plus 3 times root 2, and d you know, which is root 2. So which comes as 3 plus, see here, 3 times root 2 and 1 time root 2. That is nothing but 4 times root 2. Okay. Come to the next one here, a6. So a5 plus d, a5 is 3 plus 4 times root 2 plus root 2, which comes as 3 plus 5 times root 2. Okay, come to the 7th term here, a6 plus d, which is equal to 3 plus 5 root 2 plus root 2, which one will come as 3 plus 6 times root 2. Right? I hope all of you understood these 5 sums of question number 4. Thank you.